Hi guys, this is Young, and today we'll be picking the winner for Freewell Osmo Pocket Wide Angle Lens, which has been really popular, and many of you guys have told me that this is currently out of stock in Amazon, but I double checked with Freewell and apparently from yesterday it's back in stock, so do check out the link down below if you want to get it. But of course there will be one lucky winner today, and let's do like picking a winner together in a video. So I've already put my video in the pickawinner.com and put down the key filter word, Freewell Osmo Pocket Wide Angle Lens. So basically I've now put down the link of my video in the pickawinner.co, and let's fetch the comment. And then I will say, keyword filter, and then put down Freewell Osmo Pocket Wide Angle Lens. Okay, so you guys know the rule. Basically, if somebody doesn't seem to have Osmo Pocket, then I'll pass. And also, if they don't give reason why they want to use it, then I'll pass. It's strict. Okay, continue. Let's pick. Oh, so 132 comments. So 132 of you guys have participated, so thank you so much for those people who have commented. And let's pick a winner. Okay, who is this? Okay, focus. I can't see. Okay, let's read. Walk the World 4K. Oh, and he got 4 hearts from people. I would like your Freewell wide angle lens because I have such a wide face, it will not fit in frame. Oh, I remember this comment. I said that was like the weird, funny comment. So congratulations, Walk the World 4K. I'm sure you don't have like really big face. I'm right now sort of thinking what to do. You know, shall I buy Osmo Pocket again or not? So I'm sort of considering. So I'll be back soon with the decision. And meanwhile, you guys can watch my panda video. Give panda video some love. It's non-tech video, so it's done really horribly, but it's pretty cute. Anyway, I'll come back with like the compilation of my Sichuan trip video. I really just want to do it to sort of showcase especially the drone footages. So please do wait and stay tuned and see you.